Traditionally, we assess coronary artery disease by doing angiography. Angiography is a process where we see the coronaries by injecting contrast inside the blood vessel. And we used to see blood vessels like this. The block is here, how much narrowing in the lumen is there. In the angiography, we know the criticality of the block, but we don't know what the plaque is made up of, what is the characteristic, whether it is very hard, made up of calcium, fibrosis, or soft, made up of only lipids, and based on that outcomes differ. So do we have a technology which will tell us that yes, we know the composition of the plaque, and based on that we plan our strategy to give good outcome in angioplasty? To know the composition of the plaques, we have advanced technologies. Now we are using intravascular imaging technologies, and there are two available. One is IVUS, which is ultrasound based camera. Another is OCT. OCT is known as optical coherence tomography, which is a light source based camera, and the catheter that we are using is very narrow caliber, and it has a light source which helps us to image the blood vessel from within. Now we can see the example of OCT image. In this case, we can see the blood vessel plaque. This is the composition of the blood vessel, which tells us what the plaque is made up of, and based on this we select our gadgets, our tools, and try to optimize the outcomes of the angioplasty. OCT, being an intracoronary imaging technique, has great potential to help us optimize the outcomes of PCI. OCT tells us about the vessel wall before the angioplasty, and also tells us about the stent expansion after the angioplasty. It gives idea about edge dissection, under expansion, malapposition, and these all problems can be rectified before we send the patient out of cath lab, and in long run the patient gets good result. OCT is intracoronary imaging technique. It uses near infrared light to image the blood vessel from within. There is a very small light emitting source which emits the light which falls on the walls of the blood vessel from inside, and the light is reflected back towards the source, and based on the percent reflection the image is formed. As we can see in this photograph, it gives us clear idea of tissue composition. The light is generated from this catheter, is going towards the wall and comes back depending on the density and composition of the tissue, and that gives us the picture which we can change or render into 3D format also. OCT images are very good, and we see the anatomy of the blood vessel, that is histology, in such a way that it is equivalent to the histology that we see when we cut the blood vessel and see under the microscope. So we can see virtual histology without cutting the blood vessel.